Hi everyone, welcome to week 9. This is the beginning of quarter 2, and I know that you guys haven't gotten your schedule changes yet, so welcome back, and let's just get into what you will do with week 9. Okay, so week 9, before you begin, there will be the intro video and the student checklist. As always, if you click on the student checklist, it is set up exactly the same. We're doing the live version of this on Tuesday at 11. You have 3 assignments, 2 assignments, and the third one is a vocabulary quiz, and then we will have a voluntary meeting on Wednesday. Your vocabulary is all from Microsoft Office. We are starting Microsoft Word this week, and we're going to be using all of the different tools within the word processing to complete different tasks. So these are the words you are going to have on your vocabulary test. And your essential question is, what are word processing applications used for in education? So what would you use a word processing program for? We're going to talk about what people, other people, businesses do, but then ultimately it will be, how does it apply to you? Face-to-face is like it has been. You have to ask first and last name and period number before I will admit you. Learning objectives is you're going to know where Microsoft Word is on your computer or on the web. You'll create a letterhead, and you're going to be working on word processing terminology. All right, so in assignment number 1, you should have a quarter 2 folder already created, but I need to make sure you do, because you will be uploading all of these assignments to your quarter 2, and at the end you'll take another screenshot. But you might need to have a quarter 2 folder on your desktop so that you can put it on there, and you have a way to organize it on your desktop. So that's what this part is here. The very first assignment is you are creating a letterhead. I give you all of the information. I walk you through it step by step of how to create the effect that I'm going after. And you're going to save it as assignment 1. On assignment 2, you're going to use the exact same skills that you did in assignment 1. So you're just going to recreate it. But when you recreate it, you are going to do it with your favorite theme park. So it will be your favorite theme park's name, address, phone number, their logo. It'll have a name there. So you're going to do that. But then underneath it, when in the actual letter part of it, you're going to write at least 1 paragraph, 5 sentences, that persuades me to go to that park. So you have to give me reasons why. Okay, so you're persuading me. So you're going to recreate a letterhead, and then you are going to add at least a paragraph. Yes, you may write more. No, you may not write less. And then the last one is you will go There are the 2 games. There's the flashcards and the hangman with and it's all of these words. And then there is the matching, where you will just match the word to the term, and you only get to take it 1 time. Be very careful. It is second quarter. You should have done this enough to know how to do it. Be careful. Make sure you are in a position to complete the whole thing and you don't click out of it or get distracted, whatever. You may take it 1 time. I will talk to you guys Tuesday at 11 and go over it, because number 1 is a little bit entailed and I want to make sure that you understand what it is. As always, if you have any questions, let me know.